PDA can significantly improve productivity and efficiency for professionals in various fields. Key applications include calendar and scheduling programs for managing appointments, meetings, and to-do lists. Contacts and customer relationship management software allow users to store and organize business contacts, job information, and notes effectively. Email applications enable access and response to emails directly from the PDA, ensuring timely communication. Notepad applications facilitate taking notes, creating checklists, and capturing ideas quickly. GPS navigation is valuable for tracking locations and finding destinations with ease, particularly useful for those who travel frequently. A PDF viewer is essential for reading and annotating PDF documents, a common format for professional documents. File manager applications help manage various files, including documents, spreadsheets, and presentations. Barcode scanners streamline data input and inventory management by capturing barcodes. Banking applications provide access to bank account information and enable transactions on the go. A calculator is a basic yet useful tool for performing calculations anytime, anywhere. Beyond these core applications, PDA offer numerous other benefits for work. Remote access capabilities allow users to access work-related documents and applications from any location, promoting flexibility and mobility. Collaboration tools enable sharing notes and files with colleagues, fostering teamwork and information exchange. Time management applications track time spent on tasks, helping improve efficiency and productivity. Content consumption apps keep users informed with the latest news, industry articles, and podcasts, promoting continuous learning. Maintenance logs facilitate creating and tracking maintenance records for equipment or assets, ensuring proper upkeep and management. Health tracking applications monitor fitness and well-being, promoting a healthy work-life balance. Remote desktop applications allow users to access and control their work computers remotely, providing seamless access to resources. Several National Electrical Code, or NEC, code applications are available for PDA, enabling users to search and reference the code while on the go. Popular options include NEC Code Express, NEC Code Navigator, and NEC Code Companion. These applications provide quick access to the NEC, which is essential for electrical professionals. While PDA offer limited web browsing capabilities compared to laptops, they can still be useful for quick information retrieval. Consider using a text-only browser to optimize performance on a PDA. Other uses for PDA include games and entertainment for distressing during breaks, language translation for travelers, dictionaries and thesauri for enhancing vocabulary and writing skills, and remote printing for sending documents to printers from the PDA. Selecting the best PDA and programs depends on specific work requirements. However, choosing the right tools can unlock the potential of a PDA to streamline workflow and increase productivity. Firstly, consider the specific tasks and applications that are most critical for your work. Secondly, evaluate the size and portability of the PDA, ensuring it is comfortable to carry and use. Thirdly, consider the battery life of the PDA, as it will affect its usability throughout the workday. Fourthly, assess the compatibility of the PDA with existing systems and software. Fifthly, evaluate the security features of the PDA to protect sensitive data. Sixthly, consider the cost of the PDA and any associated software or subscriptions. Seventhly, research reviews and feedback from other professionals who use PDA in similar fields. Eighthly, consider the availability of support and updates for the PDA and its software. Ninthly, evaluate the display quality and resolution of the PDA for comfortable viewing. Tenthly, consider the storage capacity of the PDA to accommodate all necessary files and applications. Electrical professionals often use PDA to access the NEC, perform calculations, and manage contacts. The NEC is a comprehensive set of standards for electrical installations, and having it readily available on a PDA can save time and improve accuracy. Firstly, an electrical professional can use the PDA to search for specific sections of the NEC, such as Article 250.66 regarding grounding electrode conductor sizing. Secondly, calculations, like those involving Ohm's law, can be quickly performed using a calculator application on the PDA. Ohm's law states that voltage equals current times resistance, or volts equals amps times ohms. Thirdly, contact information for clients, suppliers, and inspectors can be stored and managed on the PDA. For instance, if you are working on a residential project and need to determine the correct size for a service entrance conductor, you can use the NEC application on your PDA to look up the relevant tables and requirements. Suppose the service is 200 amps. According to NEC table 310.15, P16 for copper conductors with a temperature rating of 75 degrees Celsius, you would need a 2/0 American wire gauge or AUG conductor. This type of quick reference is invaluable in the field. In another scenario, you might be working on a commercial project and need to calculate the voltage drop in a circuit. You can use a calculator application on your PDA to perform the necessary calculations. The formula for voltage drop is voltage drop equals 2 times the length of the conductor times the current times the impedance per unit length, all divided by 1000. If the length of the conductor is 100 feet, the current is 20 amps, and the impedance per unit length is 0.1 ohms per foot, the voltage drop would be 2 times 100 times 20 times 0.1 divided by 1000, which equals 0.4 volts. This allows you to ensure that the voltage drop is within acceptable limits. Additionally, you can use your PDA to store and manage important documents related to your projects, such as electrical plans, permits, and inspection reports. You can also use it to access online resources such as manufacturer specifications and product information. Furthermore, PDA can be used to access online forums and communities where electrical professionals share knowledge and expertise. Consider the security implications when using a PDA for work-related tasks. Ensure that your PDA is password protected and that you regularly back up your data. You should also be cautious about downloading applications from unknown sources, as they may contain malware or viruses. Additionally, be aware of the privacy settings on your PDA and limit the amount of personal information that you store on it. Mobile devices can be lost or stolen, so it is important to take precautions to protect your data. Consider using a mobile device management solution to remotely wipe data from a lost or stolen PDA. You should also educate yourself about the latest security threats and vulnerabilities that affect mobile devices. By taking these precautions, you can minimize the risk of data breaches and protect your sensitive information. When using a PDA for GPS navigation, consider the accuracy and reliability of the GPS signal. In some areas, the GPS signal may be weak or unavailable, which can affect the accuracy of the navigation. You should also be aware of the limitations of GPS navigation, such as its inability to provide accurate directions in tunnels or underground locations. Consider using a combination of GPS navigation and other navigation tools, such as maps and street signs, to ensure that you reach your destination safely and efficiently. In addition to the programs already discussed, you might consider using a PDA for tasks such as creating and managing invoices, tracking expenses, and managing customer relationships. These features can help you streamline your business operations and improve your profitability. You should also consider the integration of the PDA with other systems that you use, such as accounting software and customer relationship management software. By integrating these systems, you can automate tasks and reduce the amount of manual data entry that you need to perform.